In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the latest version of Microsoft Planner to organize your work and manage tasks more effectively. Let's start from the beginning. First, sign into your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're logged in, open the Apps menu and select Microsoft Planner. Now you're ready to create your first plan. Click on New Plan and give your project a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. If you're working with a team, you can connect this plan to an existing group. This helps everyone stay organized in one shared space. Next, you can either build your plan from scratch or choose a template. Templates are especially helpful for beginners because they give you a ready-made structure to work with. Once your plan is created, it's time to organize it. Start by creating buckets. These act like categories or stages. For example, To Do, In Progress, and Done. Buckets help you visually manage your workflow. Inside each bucket, you can add tasks. For every task, include a title, assign it to a person, and set a due date. This makes responsibilities clear and keeps your project on track. You can also open each task to add more details, like descriptions, checklists, and attachments. This keeps everything related to the task in one place. As work progresses, update the task status, whether it's not started, in progress, or completed. This helps you and your team quickly understand what's happening. To get a better overview, use the Charts feature. It gives you a visual summary of your progress, showing how many tasks are completed and what's still pending. You can also use labels to highlight priorities or group similar tasks together. This makes it easier to focus on what matters most. If you want more control, try filtering your tasks. For example, you can view tasks by due date or by the person responsible. This is very useful when managing multiple team members. Another helpful view is the calendar view, where you can see all your deadlines laid out clearly. You can even sync this with your Outlook calendar to stay on top of important dates. Microsoft Planner is built for collaboration, so your team can update tasks, share files, and stay aligned throughout the project. By using these features, you can simplify your workflow, improve communication, and stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. And that's how you use the latest version of Microsoft Planner. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.